Igbo. Onwekwa he tọrọ ngo bịara o.
Yo, this is Bongo Music Africa. So on today's show, actually this is my first show. So on today's show, I'll be talking about two artists, like two underground artists, Igbo underground artists that has been making wave. Man, these guys has been getting a lot of stream, a lot of songs hit back to back, and I'm happy because it shows that yes, after Fino, Zoro, yeah, Iblis is still in the game. Um, all these Nigerian, all these Igbo rappers, we still have some upcoming generation that has been trying to put a footprint inside the Igbo music. So today I'll be talking about two guys. So number one is Jeriq and number two is Aguero Banks. Yes. Oh yeah. So about these two artists, these are two talented artists that has been making wave in the couple of years in the Igbo hip hop music. And I'm so proud, I'm so happy for them. This guy has been making massive hits and a lot of audience. So today we'll be talking about Jeriq and Aguero Banks. These are the two lovely artists. If you've not heard about it, just listen to first Jeriq. Like if you don't know about Jeriq, which I doubt you say you don't know about Jeriq, just listen to one of his songs.
I'm fighting battles in the war front, but tell my bro I got his back. Oh yeah, now one day I'm with my brother on God right. Family is important, blood is thicker than water. Alpha, all I wish for my gang is more grace, more bad, more life. My bro, God bless all my bro. My bro, it's sure for you, my bro. I promise I won't change your phone. My bro.
Yeah, welcome back. So that's Jeriq. Now the next one is Aguero Banks. This guy has been keeping it real. I love his vibes. I love his songs. I love his lyrics. It's very plain and hardcore. Yeah, I love hardcore raps. So this is one of his songs also.
Them listen from henceforth, over no money busy, let's talk. I love us and I see how that replies, yeah, blame it on your networks. The same girl done on my bed, here, can desktop. eBay city boy, be feed 3 way, get your money long. I get a job done, I demand you what's up, I'm off that. Now they wondering how the boy from the ends, the top chat. Say how come, August plan, bad days died all just now. Been on the road for a long.
Yo, welcome back. So on the comment section, I'll be liking you to drop your suggestion about these two great rappers. We still have a lot of rappers. Like in my next shooting, I'll be telling you about, let me say, 5 to 6 hardcore rappers that have been representing the East, the Southeast. So for now, let's just talk about these two. So what do you think about these two guys, Jeriq and Aguero Banks? This guy has been keeping it locked for the Igbo culture, for the Igbo raps. So drop it on the comments. Let me know your view about it. Now, this is my first video. You'll be getting more of these videos, maybe with different scenes. And we'll be discussing more about the Igbo music, culture, tradition, tech, and the rest. So for now, this is my first video. So I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you next time.